What's going on, guys? Benji here, Nerf Herder Customs. I have something I haven't done in a while, and I should be doing more soon. We'll hopefully have a lot to play. I'm going to do a sound font review on a speeder font. Most of you who are aware of this channel know that I have an unhealthy obsession with Corran horn and his speeder hilts, speeder style hilt, but I'm always a fan whenever there's a new font for it. This is something that is, there's not many. I think I have done video in the past where I showcased all of them on one of my hilts. I might need to update that and provide links, but this one is by BK Saber Sounds. I actually haven't had much experience because I haven't really been in the font game for a long time. I've just been busy and really haven't been experimenting on sounds. I've been more installing or working on chassis and stuff. But this one, I was like, yo, I want to play with something. So this is speeder horn, and I'm gonna do it on my Corcris. Why not? This is my prototype Corcris. I still haven't installed my finished one with the Taco Shop chassis, but I'll be getting to that hopefully sometime soon. But this font is fun to play with, and it has just a lot of really cool different takes, because I was talking to him about it, and one of the hardest things about doing a speeder style or a Corran horn style font, the hardest part is not doing the same thing everyone else is doing. So it's really cool to see his little design choices on sounds. But we'll go ahead and pump this up and get right to it. So I really enjoyed the power on. The hum is something I do like a lot. It'll eventually build up and hit like this high pitched, and I just love it when it gets like that. Huge fan whenever fonts have that little pitch up and come back down. So you got silver blade, the Corran's main blade, right? And then for force wave, it'll do a crystal alignment, and we'll switch over to a purple blade. Those accent swings are cool. Some of that speeder. Some clashes. Switch back over. Back to silver. I really enjoy it. So you got lockup. Very cool stuff. Quick drag. Switch back over. Switches to crystal alignment between the three crystals. Changes to the purple blade. And then the story, when he changes the crystal alignments and the purple blade, is actually longer. It's part of the dual phase action. And you turn it off, it stays purple. This is at least on the Profi blade style program that I have. Obviously, I don't think CFX would really have that function because if we were to turn it off, it stays purple. Switch back over. Stays silver. I'm definitely a fan of freaking Switch. How cool is that? Alright. I don't remember if we have an audio track. If we did, I didn't set it. Oh, I do have an audio track. What is it? Oh, I should put that on there. I don't have it on mine. That's awesome. And then extras. You have you have an alternate hum. Ooh, I like that. I might have to put that on mine. I think it's a little bit more of a predominant high-pitched hum that I liked. Here's the... Yeah. I might put the alternate hum on mine. I like that a lot. So you have a little bit of extras when it comes with it. You have an extra hum and tracks. And then of course, whenever you get the font, you have it for CFX, Golden Harvest, Profi, and Xeno V3. So there you go. That's definitely fun to play with. You have a speeder bike, hilt. There are a few sound fonts out for it, not that many, and it is very good to have a new one. So really enjoyed this one. Looking forward to playing with more of your fonts and looking forward to doing more font reviews soon. For reasons, I stepped away from doing fonts for a while, and I really would like to tiptoe back into it because it is fun. It's fun to play with these sounds. It's one of my favorites. But thank you guys so much, and until next time, may the force be with you.
Stuck up, half-witted, scruffy-looking nerf herder.
Scruffy looking.